All right, guys, this is me again. This is Emmett the Alpha Builder. And guys, this is one of these jobs here. And I always look for an opportunity to try to show you guys a situation to where there are good trades that, I could probably go on YouTube and figure out how to do this right here. I had a tension spring. One of my tension springs broke on my garage door. But number one, it's kind of dangerous to do. And number two, I don't have a whole day, even as a builder, guys. I don't have the whole day to sit here and try to figure all this stuff out. So I just simply pay these guys to come out here and knock this thing out the way. And this is this company right here is Over the Mountain. I'm sorry, Red Mountain Garage Doors. And this is a good trade to have, man. It's a very good trade to have. Come on, buddy. So I got my sidekick with me, guys. He's gonna make sure, but I'm gonna try to stay out these guys' way. Let me go in through the other way. I'm gonna stay out their way, and I don't want my dog in their way. So let me go down. Yeah. So. Yeah. So. I'm just showing the guys that this is a job, man. I'm a builder. I got a YouTube channel, so I'm giving you guys some free advertising, man. But here's the thing, man. This is something, even as a builder, guys, I could probably go to YouTube and figure this right here out, but I ain't got time to do that. So this, I was just going to tell them that spring right there, if that thing come loose and hit you, man, it might kill you.
37 people a year
You know? Yeah, so you don't want to deal with that guy.
Yeah,
all right. So guys, get a trade. This is what I'm trying to teach you guys. Get a trade, and these guys are gonna knock this out the way. I'm gonna let them have their thing. But guys, I'm always looking for an opportunity to show you guys ways that you can make a little money. And I don't want to give away his trade secrets, man. He probably have certain things that they do, or things that they talk about. That's his trade secret, so I'm gonna let them guys have it. But garage door openers, man. I'm telling you, man. I ain't got the time to be fumbling around with that stuff. And like he said people, those springs with that tension on it, man, it'll pop loose and tear you up. And that's not where you want to be. Just go ahead and let professionals do it. He was actually down there training a guy, which is another good thing, man, because we need to get younger guys trained in these trades, man. And but little things like that, you never go broke, guys. You will always, well, at that point, you know how to fish. All right, guys, back on this garage thing. So, guys, the way it works is, number one, we don't have time to come out here and, I don't have time to come out here to make, to try to do this stuff myself and all that kind of stuff. But another thing, you see this right here? So another thing, guys, we actually got it working. We did figure out we had some issues here too on the original garage door, but another thing you guys got to understand too is that what you gonna do? In our case, I got two charging stations. You got a charging station here and a charging station here, so we got to park in the garage. If the garage door ain't opening, that's a vital part of the family structure that can just shut everything down, because these guys got to get in and charge up the cars every day. So you can't leave the garage door non-functioning. You got to get it fixed. And this was about $1,000 fix, guys. This is what these guys are making. Yeah, I probably could have got it done cheaper, man. But when somebody comes out and knock this thing on out the way, man, right quick, like you get it done. And just getting all this right here done, man. I mean, this is what you want. But guys, this is a viable way. And not only that, guys, I found out. Come on, buddy. Come on. That's my dog, man. That's my buddy right there. Something else I found out too. The original garage door. So this garage door was, and this guy actually weighed the garage door. This garage door was like 170 pounds. The spring that was installed that we see up here, we only had one on one side. We only had this, I think this one side over here. But the spring that we had for this right here was for a 150-pound door, which is probably this door over here. So they didn't put a double spring on this one right here. This is a 2-car garage door, so it's much heavier. So that's why the spring broke. So I learned something else about garage doors, guys. So guys, to make a long story short, guys, we got to get into these trades, man. Those guys that came out here and did this, one guy was like 20, I think he was like 26, maybe. And you know, they're doing their thing, man. This is a service that you're gonna need, man. People are gonna need this service. Like, share, and subscribe. At the end of the day, it is what it is. And this is the way.